determinate form. Okay, so first of all, why infinitive by infinitive say indeterminate form? Okay, look here, I know that infinitive into 5, that is how much? Infinitive. So someone say 5 this equal to infinity by infinitive. I hope so clear. Now another word, someone say infinitive into 1 by 3 this equal to infinitive, means 1 by 3 this equal to infinity by infinitive. Now someone say infinitive into minus 1 by 3 this equal to infinitive. Okay, so you can say that minus 1 by 3 this equal to infinity by infinitive. Minus 5 into infinitive, so you can say the infinitive, so you can say that minus 5 this equal to infinity by infinitive. I also clear? It means you cannot say what is the exact value of infinity by infinitive. Okay, so you cannot say what is the exact value of infinity by infinitive. Okay, it means you can say that this is a meaningless. So infinity by infinitive is also say that meaningless. It means in mathematical terms you can say that indeterminate form. Okay, that is meaningless, or you can say that indeterminate form. Okay, so how can solve this type of problem? Okay, look here. First of all, make it. After that, I will focus on some problem. Okay, how can solve this type of problem? Simply, here x tends to infinity, so x square plus 5 upon x square plus 4x plus 3. I know that if you see very carefully, put infinitive, then we got infinity plus 5 divided by infinity plus 5 divided by how much? Infinity plus 3, means we got infinity by infinitive. Okay, so how can solve? You can solve this question two method. First one conventional method and second one L'Hospital rule. Okay, I have already discussed in previous class what is the L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule say if limit x tends to a, f of x upon gx, if x put x is equal to a. Okay, now corresponding to L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to a, f of x upon gx. Okay, both put x is equal to, at x is equal to a, f of, if put x is equal to, we got infinitive or 0. Okay, and if x is equal to a, g of a, if this one is also infinitive, or you can say that 0 by 0 or infinity by infinitive form available, then you can differentiate numerator and denominator with respect to x. Okay, if this one is infinitive, then also infinitive, otherwise going to 0 or 0 by 0 or infinity by infinitive available, then this one differentiate, this one written differentiate with respect to x, and this one is also differentiate with respect to x. That is called L'Hospital rule. I have already discussed in previous class. Okay, so 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form available, then you can differentiate numerator and denominator with respect to x. Okay, now next target is, I hope so clear. Now, so how can solve this type of problem? Look, if put infinitive, then we got infinity by infinitive. You can differentiate both with respect to x. Otherwise, you can solve conventional method also. What is the conventional method? If you look method first, limit. First of all, if take x square is common, then 1 plus 5 by x square divide by, if x square is common, then we got 1 plus 4 upon x plus 3 upon x square. I hope so clear. So x square cancel. Limit x tends to infinitive, then 1 plus 5 upon x square, put x divide by here 1 plus 4 upon x plus 3 upon x square, put x is equal to infinitive, then we got how much? 1 plus 5 by infinitive square divided by 1 plus 4 by infinitive plus 3 by infinitive square. Then what about that value? 1 plus 0 divided by 1 plus 0 plus 0. So we got 1. I also clear? Okay. 1 by infinitive, that is how much? 0. 1 by infinitive, this is equal to 0. Or 1 by 0, this is equal to infinitive. Okay. So you can say that one 0, that one 0, that one 0. So 1 plus 0 upon 1 plus 0 plus 0. So final answer is 1. Now you can do this question with the help of another method also, with the help of L-Hospital rule. Okay. Now first of all make it, after that I will discuss. Infinitive factorial n plus 2 plus factorial n plus 1 divided by factorial n plus 2 minus factorial n plus 1. So first of all, how can solve? Okay, look here. If put infinitive, then we got infinity by infinitive. So how can solve? Simply n plus 2, factorial n plus 2 is written as how much? N plus 2 into factorial n plus 1. So this one written n tends to infinitive n plus 2 into factorial n plus 1 plus divide by here n plus 2 common, okay. After that limit n tends to infinitive. If n plus factorial n plus 1 is common, then n plus 2 plus 1 whole divided by here, if factorial n plus 1 is common, at n plus 2 minus 1. That one cancel out. So simply you can write now here limit n tends to infinitive. So n plus 3 divided by n plus 1. Now if n is common, then that one written 1 plus 3 by n divided by 1 plus 1 by n. Okay. So if put n this equal to infinitive, then how much? 1 plus 3 by infinitive divided by 1 upon, so 1 plus 0 divided by 1 plus 0. So that is 1 is the right answer. I hope so clear. Make it. Okay.